The IQ magnifier is the intelligent state-of-the-art choice in illuminated magnification. It combines sleek design with ergonomic engineering and high-quality materials and components. It has a large 17.5 centimetre, 7-inch, crystal-clear 3-diopter lens and 60 ultra-bright LEDs for accurate viewing of detail. The daylight LEDs provide high-contrast, accurate colour matching and low heat, making it easier and less tiring to work and see detail clearly. LEDs never need replacing and use very little energy. The lamp is dimmable to 4 settings. The IQ has a flexible joint between the head and covered spring-balanced arm. This gives effortless movement with accurate positioning. The long arm gives the lamp an impressive reach of 118 centimetres, 46 inches. A lens guard is included to protect the lens for special tasks such as soldering. If higher magnification is required, 5 and 12 diopter lenses are available separately. These can be easily added in a few seconds without the need for tools. This lamp is supplied with an attractively designed table clamp. It's also compatible with our table base and floor stand. Perfect for all industrial purposes, labs, podiatry, beauty salons, hospitals and clinics.